Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
A drawing tablet is almost a second touchscreen for your computer, making it possible to use a pen or stylus to input information onto a screen. Any creative task on a computer that requires pinpoint precision can benefit from a pen's tactile response. Drawing tablets can help presenters, artists, graphic designers, and Photoshop geeks. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of drawing tablet on the market. You can see the product link in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Only 9mm thick makes it an ideal canvas for on-the-go creation. Artisul MO610 Pro drawing tablet is easy to use and no prior knowledge is needed. It's perfect for beginner artists, students, and anime enthusiasts. The graphics tablet is available for both left-handed and right-handed users. The P58B stylus features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and an industry-leading report rate of 300 pps, which ensures a fluent experience and provides vivid lines. Its supported plus or minus 60 tilt precisely depicts the effect of shadows like a real pencil, which is great for art creation. Adopted passive electromagnetic induction technology, no need to charge the pen anymore. Artisul MO610 Pro pen tablet works well with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.8.5 or later, and Android 6.0 or later. The digital drawing tablet comes with 8 customized hotkeys and a dial, which can individualize workflow and achieve higher efficiency.
Number 2.
XOPPOX graphics tablet compatible with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10. Android 4.4 and above, Mac OS 10.7.0 and above. The graphic drawing tablet come with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity pen, which makes the line more smoother and natural. This battery-free pen not need to charge, and you not need to consider whether the battery will run out, and the packing include 20 replacement nibs. Is well compatible with office software like Microsoft Office Word, Excel,
Number 3.
The electronic writing tablet is compatible with Linux, Android, Mac OS and Windows system. The 8,192 levels digital pen is accurate and responsive, provides you natural experience as writing on real paper. With the unique design of full touch control, you can customize the 4 touch shortcuts according to your usual software or painting habits, or you can control the canvas and brushes via the trackpad, just as you would on your mobile phone, improve work efficiency and create your work more freely. The active area of graphics tablet VEIKK 30 is 10 by 6 inches that offers you enough space to draw what you want.
Number 4.
The Art Pen AP32 supports plus or minus 60 degrees of tilt brush effect and delivers smoother and more natural lines and strokes. There are 8 replacement pen nibs in package. Battery-free stylus provides 8,192 levels of instant pen pressure sensitivity, providing you with groundbreaking control and fluidity to expand your creative output.
Number 5.
HUION H430p supports Linux, Mac OS 10.11 and above, Windows 7 and above, and Android 6.0 and above. It can easily connect to your PC, laptop via USB cable for both left and right-handed users. Digital pen PW201 is battery-free, no need to be charged. 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity with 233 pps report rate provides you responsive and natural drawing and handwriting experience with control. H430p graphics tablet is portable and compact. 4.8 by 3 inch active area offers perfect creative space for limited desktop areas. 4 express keys on the top can be programmed to your favorite shortcuts such as scroll. Compared with computer mouse, it couldn't be easier to draw, edit photos, annotate document, take notes, write formulas and equations with a digital pen.